Look at that one. Alright guys, so quote with Lawn Care Ninja here. It is May 21st and we've gotten about that much snow. Is that maybe 3 inches or so, 3.5? It's good because we're getting a lot of moisture that we need, but at the same time, just all this damage. Here you can see quite a bit over here. I'm not going to stand under this just in case something decides to break. Don't want it to land on me, but yeah, ended up reaching out to my customers Thursday evening and let them know that I'm going to be, scheduling limb and branch removal, and sent a text message out this morning saying that I'm going to be, doing that for today, tomorrow, and possibly Monday. I don't know if I'm actually going to be getting out today. Just kind of depends how the snow melts off the trees, obviously, because I don't want to be standing under it working when there's still lots of heavy wet snow weighing the branches down. Just having it fall and land on me, that'd be bad. I didn't park under here. I was thinking this tree was actually going to break more than this one, but this one just looks really bad, which sucks because it's such a nice maple tree. I did end up picking up this. It's the Milwaukee chainsaw, and then the pole extension chainsaw for my quick lock system. I wanted to go with battery just because I already have a lot of Milwaukee batteries. It's going to be a lot lighter than a gas powered, and I don't do too much chainsaw work, so I figure something like this might be a better way to go. We'll see how it actually handles. I mean, they probably make it for homeowners, so it's probably good enough for them. And with the little amount that I actually do, hopefully it might be okay to use. Got all my batteries charged. It's still snowing just a little bit. I think for the most part it's going to be done snowing. It's supposed to warm up into the low 40s with rain pretty much the rest of the day, I think. Yeah, man, it's just crazy that 2 days ago it was 88, 89 degrees. Yeah, that's why I don't want to stand under trees and if the limb falls. But yeah, 2 days ago it was 88 degrees Thursday, beautiful day. Then the cold front came in and started as rain, transitioned to snow about 1 o'clock on Friday. It really didn't do much until the sun went down and it started getting really cold. I think the low last night got to 29 or 30 degrees. So it was definitely coming down as all snow. And that's where the bulk of this came from, because on my truck there was a little bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch of snow on my truck. So, a lot of this came from last night, just getting below freezing. If you're new to doing stuff like this, I would strongly recommend reaching out to all of your customers ahead of time if you're expecting a freak storm like this. Just letting them know that you're going to be out doing limb removal, branch removal, recycling, and stuff like that, because I did have a lot of stuff scheduled for yesterday, Friday, but I had to push that into next week. So that's definitely going to hurt on the revenue side of things, but hopefully picking some of this stuff up will make this week a little better, as opposed to having to cancel a whole day's worth of work. Just going to make sure that I stay safe and not take any unnecessary risk. It's actually funny, in my backyard I have a pretty small maple tree. All the limbs on the side fell down and there's just one limb going up, so it almost kind of looks like the tree's giving my neighbors the middle finger. So I'm gonna also take care of my limbs and stuff. Believe it or not, this doesn't even bring in the top 5 of late spring snowstorms. I think the latest is June 8th, and that was, I don't know, maybe 100 or so years ago. Definitely crazy. We need the moisture. It's just unfortunate that it had to happen this way instead of back in March and April when we went like 6 to 8 weeks with nothing. No rain, no snow, nothing. We'll catch you at the first one. All right, guys, so just wrapped up doing my first one. She doesn't like any pictures or video, so I didn't get it. There wasn't too much, just one big main branch. Ended up cutting it up. That Milwaukee saw was pretty rad doing that. But yeah, headed to my next one, and actually in Denver proper, it doesn't actually look like there is that much snow compared to what I got, because I'm a little farther south from actually Denver, the city, Denver. But yeah, I think like Castle Rock, which is even farther south, got like almost a foot of snow, which is just crazy to think about in May, you know. I have about 8 that I'm gonna be doing today. A couple of those actually are referrals from current clients. So that's kind of cool that, you know, my clients are, you know, referring stuff like that out. I did send an email, like I said. I also texted this morning all of my customers, letting them know. So yeah, 8, not bad. My minimum charge is $75. Just kind of depends, like, you know, how big the branches are, how many branches there are, and, you know, just kind of how long it takes will determine my pricing. The $75 is probably for about half an hour worth of work, I would think. So we'll see how, you know, as these are going on throughout the day, you know, like pricing. But it's just nice to be able to get a little bit of revenue since I had to cancel a bunch of work yesterday. So all right, about to pull up to my second one. So that one that you guys just saw will probably be the minimum $75. As you can see, it wasn't that bad. Head to the next one. I don't know how bad this one is. So yeah, we'll see you in a sec. Alright, so with that one, you can see there wasn't much at all. But the guy ended up giving me something. He just wanted to say thank you for like being attentive and coming out and, you know, doing stuff. So it's definitely nice getting stuff like that. You know, sometimes like I feel bad still charging them for the service, even if, you know, they give me something as big as that. But I don't know, what would you guys do? Obviously I'm going to like charge them for the service, but like that's pretty cool. We'll see you in a bit. I got that pile. Then there's another pile over here somewhere. This is actually a referral from the guy who I just stopped by. And then this one across the street is a referral from this one. So this one, I'm probably going to be here for a while, and it's going to fill up my trailer, I think, quite a bit. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit all of them in today, especially one because it's kind of far away, but he's one of my customers and he has a rental, and I told him that I would have to charge for my time out there and back, and he said he was cool with it. So, you know, that's what I'm going to be doing, but I'll probably have to save that for Monday. Hopefully bright and early Monday, I can take these to the recycler and go pick his up, head to the recycler, pick up my mowing equipment and mow. Jordan is going to be helping me Monday, because I definitely think, you know, I'm probably not going to start mowing until maybe 11 or 12, maybe. So it is what it is. On my way home, it is 5:30. Yeah, those two, I think I'm gonna include in this video, but those last two that I did filled up my trailer pretty good. So there are two that I did not get to. I'll have to get to those on Monday. It sucks that I can't unload this stuff, but it's nice, like I said, to get the extra revenue. That Milwaukee chainsaw worked flawlessly for me. Really good power, cut through the limbs and branches really easily. I also do have the extension. I used that a couple times. That was really good too. It was nice being able to, you know, reach quite a bit over my head with that thing. So definitely glad I bought those. They were a little expensive, I'll admit, but hopefully with this storm, they'll pay for itself, and I'll be able to utilize them even more going forward, and making some good money. So yeah, that's it for me. If you guys are interested, I do have Lawn Care Ninja merch. There's a shirt that I have. I'll go ahead and put a picture up on the screen to show you the design, but I'm selling those for $30 plus shipping. So if that's something you guys are interested in purchasing, go ahead and head over to my Instagram and shoot me a DM, and we can get you all set up with getting the payment and the shipping address and get one of those out to you. I do have shirts medium through XXL, so let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button if you could. I would appreciate it. Also, if you're not subscribed, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And next week, I think we're supposed to be getting a little bit of rain, so hopefully it holds off and I can get all my mowing done. And especially the work that I had to reschedule yesterday, I put it off till next Friday. Hopefully we can get that done and finish out May really, really strong. You know, having those like 3 weeks where I didn't really mow much really hurt financially, but doing all this other stuff, you know, definitely helps with the cash flow. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.